I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Display Settings. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. You need admin rights only if system policies block changes, otherwise you can proceed. Look at the display panel to confirm current resolution and scale settings. If you have multiple monitors, identify which one is selected. The number highlights the active display. Once done, keep the current values in mind so you can revert if things look off. This establishes the baseline before you change any scale values. Now adjust scale. Select the recommended preset like 100%, 125%, or 150% from the scale dropdown. If the presets don't fit, click Advanced Scaling Settings and enter a custom number such as 110% to get a more precise fit. This helps when text or UI feel too large or small. Make sure to verify resolution stays at native or recommended to avoid blur. Apply the change. Sometimes Windows asks you to sign out to fully apply scaling. Do that only after saving open work. Finish by fine-tuning. Open Display Adapter properties to manage DPI scaling per app and experiment with compatibility settings for legacy programs. This fixes blurry text. If an app appears blurry, enable fixed scaling for apps in Advanced Settings or right-click the app, Properties, Compatibility, and override high DPI scaling behavior. Make sure to test multiple apps and multi-monitor layouts. If something goes wrong, revert to your original values or use System Restore, keeping a note of the baseline settings speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.